So I hope you enjoyed this year's blueberry harvest episode. For those that have been following for a while, which one did you think was better, this year's or last year's episode? I don't know. It's hard to do these things. It's literally the same thing every year. But if you haven't seen last year's episode, I will link it at the end of this, and I'll leave the link in the description, so check it out. I thought it was all right. And if you remember, in last year's episode, there was a bit of a competition at the beginning and then a kind of a reprise at the end where we were making boxes. So what I'm going to do is right now we are going to redo that, but it's going to be slightly different than last year's because last year we were just doing this for bragging rights, because that's how we work here on Jody Farms. It's all about our ego. But this year is going to be a little different. What we're going to do this year is the person who loses, the person who takes the longest to turn this into one of these, well, that person is going to have to wash these buckets here. So let's get to this. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. I don't quite know what to say here. There's a lot on the line. I do not want to wash those buckets. I'm done for the day, pretty much. But we're gonna see. All right, let's just do this. Do you want to count it down again as usual?
All right. 3, 2, 1, go!